discuss about remaining actions in process builder. So first we will discuss about email alert action. So the requirement is when a new user is created, then a welcome email will be sent to these particular users or this particular user. So for this, first you need to create an email template which include only welcome message or whatever message you want to give. Then we will create process builder. So for process builder, just go to your setup and quick find process builder, create new. Choose the process, record change, start when a record change, save, add your object. So the object is user and the only a user we select on when only when a record is created. So now we will add some criteria. So the criteria is when a user is active, equal to true. So all the conditions are met, and when the user is active, this is the condition. So now time to add your action. Select your action type, email alert, give your action a name. Now choose your email which you want to send. So I have created one email alert, welcome email to user. Just save it and activate your process. Now I'm going to create a new user. So I have give an email ID. So you can see I have received a new message, welcome. I have received a new email when a user is created. So now we will discuss about the second action, which is post to chatter. So the requirement is when an opportunity, like when an opportunity record is created and amount equal to 20,000, then this record like amount is 20,000 is post to chatter. So for this, just go to your process builder, create new one, like when opportunity amount is 20,000, then post to chatter. Choose a record change, save. Now add your object. So object is opportunity. Select your opportunity object. When a record is created and edited, just save it. Add your criteria. So the condition is when the amount on opportunity field is equal to 20,000. All the conditions are met, and if you want to choose this one, yes, you can choose yes. Now time to add some action. So this is the action type, post to chatter. Now you can select user, chatter group, this record. So we will select chatter group. Now you have to find your group. So first you need to create your group. So the group is I have not created any group, so let me first create a group. Just go to group. No, I have created this group. Yeah, age communication, customer support. So now I will okay, this group is private, so I have to create new group. So I have created a group. Now I'm add this post to chatter test, and if you want to now add your message here, like opportunity amount is, you can merge your field. So I want amount, choose. So this message will give to your group. Now just save it and activate your process. Now let's see. I created a, now I'm going to create a new opportunity name test, and amount should be 20,000. Now you can see this message will be posted there just now. Opportunity amount is 20,000. Okay, so these are the actions in process builder. Thank you so much.